wait. Do we have a backup plan for this map? Like, if Goats goes wrong.
2-2-2 or dive?
It depends what goes wrong. So if they have if what's going wrong is yeah, it depends what's going on.
Okay, yeah. I was just trying to think if there's ever a way or like a reason why I would be on.
Bro, I
Zarya
feel like
and
this
somebody
dude's
else
just
might be
memeing on us, and I don't appreciate it.
I appreciate the meme.
What the fuck?
God damn it, boring ass Reinhardt.
Yeah, what the fuck? I don't like this.
Yo, we gotta turn on Overwatch League skins only.
Is that possible?
I don't think so.
I literally couldn't play anyone. I don't have any owl skins.
I can
so
play.
I
I can play Arista and Hawk.
So
Guys, you know who I can play? Hammond.
Oh my god.
See, so I bought the Spitfire.
We're holding on point. We're holding on
skin.
point.
we're holding on point, and
Okay.
we're gonna focus on ult tracking and talking about. What
Sorry,
we're
I'm just
gonna
trying to pop
use.
balloons right now. Oh shit! Ready? Watch his whip shot. Ready?
Yo, guys, before you start,
What?
while they're coming in, think about your healers and what they need. There was a lot of disconnect
support.
between the tanks and the back line in the last game. I need you guys, before you guys go full ham on their front line, think, what do my heals need in the next 10,
Yeah.
5, 10, in the next 5 seconds, in the next 10 seconds?
Where are we dropping, boys?
Last map, first point. When you all went to dive, I was in the back like.
okay,
"Whoa."
okay,
they're
okay.
gonna-
They're coming left side behind us.
Oh, that's not behind? Alright.
Yeah, they're right here.
Yeah.
Notes.
Oh,
welcome.
fuck.
No, Rick!
Oh!
That was a huge boop.
Wait, help!
I was trying. Jesus Christ.
Discord on the Ryan.
Yeah, I'm on Ryan. Ryan's kind of low.
Yeah, I mean, we just get rolled. How do we scout that better?
Alright, wait, Flex, you have to go Widow here. They don't anything to pressure you. Take aggressive angles.
Wait, we're swapping already.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you want?
How do we scout
Go Zarya.
that better?
No, we can't scout snow. I don't know. They were like kind of invisible.
There's a way. You'll
so-
see the
Sonic Arrow?
VOD.
Are we all here?
There's a
Then
way
we
you
should
could have done it,
probably-
but don't worry about that. Next fight.
Yeah, still running snows. Don't overextend.
I
cannot-
Base on me.
I'm gonna.
Be back behind. Base above, on top.
Okay.
Discord on Ryan.
Careful! Wait, stay with the Ryan. He's gonna get walled off.
Yeah, I'm here.
Base above behind.
Oh,
Good
a
shoot.
huge bubble.
Discord on Ryan.
Ryan.
Focus on Ryan. Okay, there's a back.
Base behind.
Where behind?
You got walled off.
Literally right behind.
Discord.
I'm on Zarya. Shit,
Yeah,
Zarya,
but
I'm-
you gotta be careful when we call behind. There's like 4 layers to our fight
yeah,
right there.
Yeah, we got it. Okay. We just need to be a little more accurate. So
Alright.
75 to grab. We have shatter.
Yeah, they're not gonna have trans.
Wait. They're gonna mail here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, they are.
I have beat.
Or they also
Yeah, we
also
beat
have
it.
grab. So
Ryan,
yeah, beat-
we beat either mail or grab, whichever comes first.
And then we trans the other.
Seconds. Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Are you?
They mailed it up here.
Oh, they got it too. That's unlucky.
Alright. Keep me up if you possibly can. But
No.
I know. 93 on grab.
I couldn't get out. I died on cart. 76 to shatter.
So they have.
Widow's not doing it.
Just keep back. Yeah,
Alright.
then yeah, switch off. Good call.
I should have died earlier.
What?
Ryan's in the spawn.
Yeah, they're playing
Pharmacy.
Oh, actually,
Why not
wait,
just pharmacy?
Don't peek
Why not
your
just go pharmacy? Go pharmacy.
Yeah, go pharmacy.
Who swaps then?
Cav on mercy.
Getting some energy right now. I have grab. You're walled.
You're walled.
I'm
I
with
have
you.
a.
I'm kind of here. They use beat.
I got stunned in the back.
May's on me.
I'm trans.
The trans.
Good shatter.
No,
Zarya's
I'm
half
just
in
getting.
the back.
Yeah, I
Zarya
can't.
behind. Zarya's one behind.
Get Zarya.
You guys are fighting without tanks.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm probably. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to touch. I'm gonna get walled and frozen. Yeah, I'm dead.
Straight touch.
Wow, I actually can't play. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, so obviously something needs to change, right?
Right.
I don't think we got a single elim. Did we get one? I don't know.
I think we got like 1 in total.
Alright.
Alright. God damn, that was oppressive as shit. So pharmacy here, I don't think dive, just because they get frozen and walled off. Our heals get walled off like our Ana. Yeah, run pharmacy here. Lep on Mercy, Flex on Pharah, Kev run Brig. Because we're gonna need the armor pack in a lot of
I
situations.
really don't think that works.
So,
It was abused.
What would you like to do?
I don't know the answers, but it just felt like it was abused. Like we have to run into them, and then we run into them, and we got just destroyed by Mei, and that's what kept happening.
Right.
I
but
think we need to play range. I don't know. I feel like what's gonna take is some range, and then we push in on a pick.
You guys have two approaches. One is to double down on range, as Kev said, and the other is dictate the engagements using speed boost on Lucio to choose when you want to fight. As long as you guys play as a unit and are tightly packed together, Mei can't kill all of you at once. And obviously, like you'll need to play literally as a ball. Right now you're playing as two lines.
Okay.
Go
Fate,
to work
Lucio.
here. You just have to choose your fights carefully with the speed boost.
I got you guys with some stun here on Kree.
Left side.
Where we go? Where we go?
Yeah, middle left, middle left, middle left, middle left.
I think they're holding close.
They are.
Yep.
Guys, you can
Alright,
kill
Lucio.
the wall. Kill the wall. Kill the
Kill the
wall.
wall.
Yeah, you got.
I got Brig.
If you're on the other side of the wall,
I guess pharmacy kind of shoots over it, so it's a little hard for Kree and.
We have shorter spawns. We have shorter spawns. Wait for 6.
Yeah. They don't have Brig. We got Brig at the end.
They don't have Brick nor do they have Lucio, but they're gonna get back pretty fast. All right. Feed in 3. No wall.
Wait.
hey, I have bubble key.
We're coming.
Right.
Oh, big thing.
Guys. Okay.
Alright, wait. Please back off.
Yeah, wait.
Welcome for your ball.
You're walled.
I think we save concussion. We save concussion for Mei walls. And every time she Mei walls and they rush our Ryan, you knock him back.
Oh my god.
Alright, just fly to us.
We have to be like a tighter ball if we're doing this, guys.
Alright, this next push, if you're walled, or if one of your teammates is walled, choose a side of the wall and focus it.
I have bubble. They have a big energy. They're probably
Yeah,
gonna
they're still.
Hold up shield.
they're gonna have grab soon.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't think we can walk down.
Maze left side. Maze left side. Wait, let me charge shield. Alright, nice. Break wall.
No one's charged. Why?
Alright, go. Speed in.
I have bubble. We have bubble advantage right now.
Go.
I need heals.
No. Oh! Nice.
Wait. We got it back.
Alright.
We didn't communicate. We didn't communicate in Q buttons. Have to communicate Q
that's
buttons.
absolutely a big deal.
I'm gonna try not to die.
Please.
Sorry, guys. Oh, they're actually spawn
Can you
camping.
shield this? Can you shield?
Yeah, I'll shield.
Can you shield the corpse? There we go.
Okay, please.
Sorry.
Where?
Sorry's underneath in the mega.
Underneath.
On her spot.
Oh my god, she just demolished.
She's going right room. Alright, Ryan next.
Ryan. Oh.
I'm grabbing now. There's a main grab.
Give me.
We're up a lot.
Nice. Okay, next May. We push through the left room. May's dead. Okay, now we go.
Everyone's
Ryan,
dead.
Ryan.
Let's go now. Everybody.
Reinhardt.
Just
Wait,
survive.
just go.
Go.
Get the point. Just get the point. Should be the
We
point.
have to go to point. We cannot deal with the guy in their back line.
Oh.
Go.
okay.
We're not there. We're not even coming. We're like.
Wait, we need to be on speed. Getting in there. We had to
Lucio was dead.
Lucio died.
Okay.
I have bubble.
Alright. Wait. Careful. Chill out. We're still waiting for Pharah.
Don't let them reset at the choke.
They already did. You're walled. Walk to the left.
I'm shouting here. It's huge!
I'm grabbed up top.
Grabbed in the.
Lucio's on me.
I have no idea what to do
BB
against this
spawn. BB spawn. Spade. Oh.
I don't think anybody can do it here.
She's there.
We need to pay much better attention to the kill feed.
Why?
Well, so we were paying attention there, right? But the big mistake we made there is when there's somebody left in our spawn right there.
There's a Reinhardt that got
we
2,
got 3 picks,
and we
right?
just left him.
What?
There's a Reinhardt, last push in our spawn that killed our
Yeah.
Lucio.
He's
We
right.
had kept our Lucio up and
you
killed
know,
Reinhardt.
you will see it on the bot.
Leave him. We
Yeah.
you went back to red and we didn't need you back there. We needed you we just needed we could have taken 5-on-4, you know, with him in our back line. We didn't have Shadow either.
Okay, so this needs to be clarified, but they didn't have Zen and they didn't have Lucio there in that fight. I picked both before that fight started. And then I finished off May with Lek. Like we were up massively up, and I mean maybe like there was definitely a part of like the fight that I didn't see because of our situation. But we were up like almost the entire team there. I think if there's one person, you just leave him and we just go.
I disagree. I hard disagree because the Rhine, like getting a pick on the Rhine is key there. I think you take the free pick and you can sacrifice 10 seconds to have.
No.
If you kill the Rhine there, then you still have your Lucio and you have speed boost
Exactly,
available.
thank you.
No. He was
No,
gonna
you
kill
know
Lucio
why?
regardless.
Bards. We wait and kill the Rhine there. Zenyatta responds. Lucio responds. May responds in that time. So we just gave them 3 respawns with ults for the Reinhardt.
Wait, wait. So who's saying that we should have gone back to spawn and killed the person in spawn? Who's saying
Barnes.
that? I
And me.
strongly disagree.
Well,
Because
no.
when we
I'm
killed
saying
them-
I don't think everyone should have gone back. I think the Rhine would have been
No.
able,
But
I
The Rhine
think
was
Joey
a
would have
quarter
been able to
health
go
in
back
spawn.
and
We could have
grab
just,
him.
if you didn't charge, we could have easy killed him in 2 seconds and been done.
so
I didn't
my-
charge where? What are you talking about? He charged me.
You
in
charged
front,
away
and I
from
reverse charge.
Yeah, but if you had not and just swung, we would have won easy. He was
gonna
super
kill
low.
me.
You guys will see it in the VOD. Just trust me.
Okay, we'll see in the VOD.
Yeah.
Wait, let me explain my problem with that. So they have a Lucio, right? If we go back to spawn and spend the time to walk back there, that Rhine is back at the choke before we get our first tick on point with our entire team. And it's a fair fight. If we leave him and we push to point 3v2 with a Rhine walking from our spawn, the people coming out of our spawn can kill the Rhine, and he's not doing anything, and we're bullying the people on point.
The only
Can't
thing
spend the
that
time to go
happened
back.
there, I was running to point with Fate, and their Rhine charged me. Like at the end of his charge, I got hit as I came around a corner. I think that was more unlucky timing.
He's not doing
but
anything,
No,
it was-
because
and
we
we're bullying
all right. Listen, yeah, I understand. Like that sucks, but
I
we
was running to
hesitated.
point with
Like
Fate,
if we
and
don't
their
hesitate,
Rhine
like we
charged me.
win
Like,
that
at the
point
end of
because
his charge, I
like
got hit as
we
I came
weren't
around
sure
a
what to do.
corner.
We
I
had
think that was
let
more
go back
unlucky
to res the
timing.
Lucio, right? And now
But
that
it
was
was-
like where the split is, like whether or not we should have gone
I understand. Like
for the for the res. I think we should have just kept going because of the fact that not only did we not sacrifice their we can kill the Rhine on the pincer. Once our Lucio's our mercies would be with us, and their Rhine has no heals, so he doesn't get the charge off. We play cognizant that he's behind us, and like just keep like we can walk with our backs to the point because literally everybody else on their team is dead. You know, we be cognizant of the fact that he's alive now, or that he's still alive, but he's behind us, and that's fine. He doesn't have ult, he doesn't have ult. He's not going to shatter, especially like if he does have ult. If we're turned around to look at him, we have our mercy to keep everybody healed off for the people who are now respawning. We take our team, right? If we stay back, kill the Rhine and res the Lucio, because our Lucio was dead. Our Lucio was kind of dead in the water. He didn't have a lot of health, and he got swung. Like there's not a lot he can do or that we can do about that. He's dead. But what we can do is what happens like immediately after he dies, right? Because I don't think we were saving. We can watch the VOD and we can make our assessment. I don't think we were saving our Lucio. And
Okay.
once our Lucio dies, we all have to go. We all have to move.
All right, let's move on. Next map,
Let's do it.
Kings Row.
Well, the other thing that we need to think about, I think, is important, is that we we're not like the way that we've been playing right now. We're definitely not the better team.
Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
But like, well, no. But this is important because we're trading the Rhine stagger.
Wait.
for letting-
Switch off. Alright, there we go.
We're trading the Rhine character for letting them regroup, and I think if we let them regroup especially with their ults, which they should have had, I'm not sure. I'm still not good at tracking ults. I think that we lose that fight when it becomes a more fair fight, even though they don't have their main tank, because we know that we've been losing unfair fights, like fights favored towards our end. They've been playing well.
Are we running goats here?
What's the
Yeah, goats here.
Okay.
No, which
Okay.
goats? It's Zen goats.
goats?
Zen
the whole-
goats.
The whole
we
map.
we don't play.
Okay.
that.
Zen
Right.
goats.
Like all 3 points
Yeah.
is goats. Then Kyle.
Yeah, this map.
Is there ever a reason for me to play Zarya?
Hey, flex.
here under the
Swap.
That we would be swapping to a Rhine Zarya comp anyway.
We'd be swapping to a Ryan Zarya comp anyways.
So should
Like
I?
almost the entire map. Yeah, you should play Zarya here. You're playing Lucio.
Okay, one more. Alright, yeah, we got 23 seconds. Let's go. Also, very quick note. Personally, I think especially if we have a Pharah, but some other ults too. Wait until my bubble comes back up before we use it. Like, let's communicate that, and I'll say like, I have my bubble in 3 seconds, and use it then, because otherwise it's just like you're gonna get melted no matter what.
Guys, if you see a Mei, call it out quickly.
I
And we
did
have
something.
Back.
Yeah.
Fair. I saw
Farah?
Farah.
Okay, back off a little
Swap.
bit.
She might have swapped.
Watch for Widow.
Zarya Ryan.
Nope.
Yeah,
There's
Farah.
Farah discorded.
And Farah Cree.
Okay.
Yeah? Am I
I'm a little bit low in the back right now. Sorry.
Amping heals for you.
Ryan's half.
Ryan's right up. I'm pushing
Ryan.
right.
Discorded.
I'm on Farah. Farah one.
Ryan, no bubble.
Oh, Farah literal one. That's unlucky.
What?
Wow.
Hey,
That's
we need to speed on the Ryan.
I think we need more healing.
No, we're not running
No,
on
Ryan
it.
was literally one bar. He had to die.
Yeah.
I think we
Is
we
that
have to-
so? Did I make a mistake by trying to chase down Farah? That was just unlucky. I got her to under a bar.
Probably, yeah, but it's okay. We're not.
You'll see. All right, guys, regroup.
They're off.
No, you can answer that. You don't need to give me. You'll see, because I can make adjustments in mid
They have
game.
Hanzo.
Okay, my answer is yes.
I think it was the right call to go for the Rhine, but few
I
shots
have
missed
bubble
and stuff. All right, think about who has all on their
Ryan's
team.
back.
Round the corner, round the
Who
corner.
has all on their team?
Well, Kree just used it.
Alright.
Oh,
Yeah.
huge.
Alright, nice.
There's only one.
Well, yeah, we're.
Oh, protect our mind, protect our mind.
Oh, don't use any ults.
Oh, there.
Did we have bubble for that at all or no?
No, I had it in 1 second. That's why one thing part of it is that I need to call it out too. But then, like, especially if we're about to move in, ask me if I have a bubble, and I will tell
Okay.
you.
Wait. Grab Dragon. They have Grav, Dragon, and Trance.
So,
That's what we're looking
so
at right
we
now.
need to beat the Grav then. We need to beat the Grav because that's
Yeah,
what they're
yeah.
gonna do.
Alright, let's go. McCree up top.
Who's up top? I'm a little bit low.
Alright, shield charging.
Yo, I need. Yeah, Kree's up top. Do I boop him off here? I think I do.
Yeah. Fight him.
Oh, I'm 50.
Heal flex.
Gotcha.
Wait, we have to touch.
I'm on healing.
Alright, let's go.
Alright,
Yeah. I think Kree was the wrong call. That's my bad.
Alright. We have trans for shatter. We can rally pre-fight here, and I have shatter for this fight.
there. Hanzo's peeking top left.
Top left.
With you guys right now.
Yeah, play on my shield. Play close to my shield.
Okay. I'm trying to get out of here.
Diva dive him.
So we can shadow.
I'm gonna get melted. I'm gonna need more healing.
Yeah, we actually.
All right, push up.
Reinhardt's discorded.
Diva diving the Hanzo.
I got him.
Push up when he's
Huge.
doing it.
Ryan.
Go. Push.
Stun.
Don't let him hurt your red.
McCree.
There we go. Nice.
That's fine. Well, wait. We should keep pushing him.
Yeah, go.
Staggers.
Speed.
Just Hanzo.
Hanzo. Nice.
So
Zarya's
sorry.
a priority because of her
Zarya's
charge.
a very important. I got Zarya.
Nice.
I got both.
Ryan's
We might be able
discorded.
to-
Ryan's
No,
discorded.
No. Back out. Speed out. Nice.
No, I have grab.
I don't have it.
Reset.
Hey, wait, They should have grab now.
All right, Hanzo might be on. Cree's charging high noon really fast too, so careful for another high noon. Grav,
No,
dragon.
they're gonna have Onion,
So
definitely.
I'm gonna wait. I need healing. I need healing.
Mercy will have the ball.
I'm gonna grab around the corner
Their
here.
trance is probably
Alright.
soon too.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Okay. Oh, Joe, you're.
I have beat.
Yep.
I'm grabbing now.
Nice.
I'm on the Hanzo.
Hanzo's discorded. Hanzo.
Nice.
Hanzo behind.
Hanzo behind.
Sorry.
Hanzo.
Zarya's one.
Hanzo. Okay, Hanzo dead. Stagger. Speed.
What is this Mercy doing?
Okay.
Just acting.
Agree.
On the right hand side.
Nice.
Alright.
Run! Oh no, we can't get him. Speed up.
Alright, they have D.Va now. So I'm 57 on grab. We shatter this fight.
Alright.
Can we back shatter?
No. Don't back shatter. Do not back shatter.
No, who on their team has
No,
ult?
I didn't say
Zarya has ult. They have Zarya.
Left up, Brig.
What about Shatter?
They have Brig.
Reinhardt discorded.
I still have
Ryan, you're
bubble.
left.
Yeah, I'm breaking Ryan's shield.
Huge. I'm on the fucking Zarya. Alright, good chance. I like it. I have
Speed.
speed into it.
Nice.
Speed
Go. Speed, go.
Lucio's low.
Hanzo behind.
Alright, yeah. Don't worry about it for now. Just push.
No, he's pushing cart. He's getting cart.
Back.
Okay.
I'm coming back.
Speed me. Oh, never mind.
You have no.
Imagine. No,
Yeah,
let's not
yeah.
cook him.
Where is he?
Just melee him. What do you do?
That's what I was doing.
Okay. We're.
Oh no, I'm slipped. I need help.
I'm with you. I don't have a bubble for 4 seconds.
I can stop.
All right, thank you.
I have no heat.
Ryan discorded.
Nice.
Big.
I'm a little lower than that.
Ryan.
Yeah, Zarya.
Oh, okay.
Anna. Nice.
Nice.
There's still a Hanzo up. Oh, I might be able to kill him.
Nice job.
Let me hold you for a second. I need to try to remake.
They're gonna have shatter. Do they still have grab?
What
I can give
percent
you
of that? Yes, they still
They
have.
still have grab. That's why I really need to remake.
Yeah, protect our.
Do they have dragon? Do they have dragon?
Yes.
But they might.
Yes, they might have grab.
I'm rebacking right now.
Okay.
Alright, they're around the corner.
So watch.
If they grab, we beat.
I will.
Grab, beat.
I got shattered in the back.
I'm on.
Hanzo is on me.
I reset.
Okay.
Yeah, reset.
Sold.
I have grab.
I
We
don't
have
bet
rally,
anymore.
we have trance.
Yeah.
Just
Hey,
kill him.
grab and rally here.
Okay, come out.
Do we rally out
left side. Come out left side so that we're all together for rally.
Yep.
left side? Okay.
Left side.
Hanzo might be watching it, but yeah, left side.
Okay.
All right, rally here.
Let's go.
Make sure we have our shield up.
All right, go.
Lucio's looking for boop.
Yeah, I
Lucio,
got
Brig. Brig.
I'm grabbing now.
Oh, big.
Nice.
Nice job. No more ults.
Hanzo's.
Nice. Speed, Anna. Speed on Anna.
Speed into Anna.
Beat on Anna.
No, just stagger her.
Wait, stagger.
Overhead.
My bad.
Kev, can you move your mic a little bit away from your face?
Jesus,
The problem with
dude.
staggering Anna is that you give them free ult charge.
No, she was just sitting there. She wasn't even firing.
She wanted to die.
She would.
I need
Yeah,
to
she
re.
wants
Oh
to
wait, I should have swapped. That's my mistake.
Wait, 40. Oh shit. Yeah, do they have grab here? I'm actually not positive.
They do not.
Okay.
They
wait,
do
I'm
not
gonna
have
What do
bubble.
they have? What do they have?
They have dragon. Careful.
Wait.
Yeah, back. It's. Oh my.
I got split.
I use my bubble. I placed it.
Oh, Brig.
I'm purple right now.
Oh.
Alright, we have to back.
I got it.
Speed us out. Wait, go right.
Ryan on the
I'm
ground.
with you. Okay, we have 2 seconds to touch.
Let's go.
Let's go. Touch. Nice.
Touch.
Ryan, guys. Ryan.
Oh, big.
Big night. Big trans.
Ryan's one.
Ryan. Nice.
Nice. Zarya next.
Zarya.
I'm on Zarya. Zarya, no bubble. Dead. Alright, keep going. Speed.
Alright.
Keep going.
Brave.
Okay.
Hanzo.
Yeah, watch card. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so I have graph here. Wait. We can hold close. Wait. We should probably wait. Actually, no. Around this corner.
Okay.
I have graph.
Yeah, we should hold the corner. We
What
need
do
to
they
be able to
have?
get
What
back
do they
there.
have? Think about what they're going to use.
They're gonna have shatter. They're gonna have nano. Shatter.
Wait, they don't have shatter.
Wait,
Grab
right.
it,
Let's
grab
grab
it.
it. Grab it now.
Nice.
Oh, that was large.
I mean, they went to touch anyway.
They didn't have shatter, but they had nano, grav, trance.
You said they had nano grab what?
Nano, grav,
Yeah,
trance.
they have grab. They didn't use grab.
Yeah.
They just used dragons last time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is interesting.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
These people really like asking.
For the
Question.
POTG, right?
Well, just give it to them.
That was
Yeah.
that was
They're playing under our map pool, so I think it's
Yeah. Yeah.
Imagine not having a boring game without skins.
Oh wait, should we swap sides?
Yeah, I think we're. Wait, yeah. Maybe ask first. I mean, we probably do, right?
Yeah, you do.
You already did it, but
Wait, we're
Wait.
defending again?
No, he just
Oh,
double
yeah.
reset.
No,
Double reset.
yes.
Double reset.
Big brain. The more you tap your brain, the smarter you get, right? Oh yeah, Joey, look at this.
match time waiting.
Joey. Joey. Joey.
Where are you? Where are
Turn
you?
to your left in real life.
Oh. I was sick. I was like, what do you want, bro?
I have no concept of time. That's 5:48. Okay. You know what we should do? We should all get dinner.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
How many games are you guys playing?
Best
4
of
to 5.
Best of 5.
As many
4 or
as we
5?
can.
Yeah.
As many
As
as we
as
can.
many as you
and
can.
then we might go into a comp or two, just to
Okay.
Okay.
the work.
Alright, biggest thing, I want you guys to think about what they're going to be using before they use it, and plan the fights beforehand. You guys did a
Alright.
really good job once I started asking you guys what they had. You were probably mostly on the money, but I don't, you know, I don't want to
That's
wait
a very
until the
nice
third
way to
point
say
to
that
do
we were
that.
bad, and then you told us to be good.
Wait, were we not doing that earlier?
No,
No,
we
well,
weren't
you guys
planning
kinda
the
got
fights
rolled.
very well.
Yeah.
Well, we got rolled, but I mean, we were
Yeah,
so-
smoke
anyway,
and
well,
roll.
I do have a request though that during the game you don't talk because you won't be able to during our actual games.
Ryan standing at the bus with Lucio.
He's just looking for a fire strike. Don't give it to him.
They have an
Oh,
Ash. They have an Ash.
I'll-
Ash at the front door. Don't watch out. Watch out. Watch for
It's fine,
Ash.
it's fine. Yeah.
Well, that gives you like 30%. So
Well,
yeah.
I bubble it. That's what I meant.
Go around statue. Go around statue.
I use bubble.
Right side?
Be
Right
careful.
side, yes.
I go right.
Reinhardt.
All right, hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here.
I got split.
Wait, we have bubble event.
I got split.
Oh.
Oh.
Back. Speed spawn.
Trying to keep people up.
It was just one head. That was my bad.
Don't go into spawn. Give me that old charge.
No, okay, but I get
Wait,
D-Max
wait.
on you.
Oh.
I should have gone. I should have. Wait.
Alright. I'm getting big old charge. Fire. Oh! Ding, 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 ding. That was very satisfying.
I'll bubble you.
I'm really
All
low
right.
down.
I mean, their
I'm
Ryan's
really
gonna
low
be
down.
close to Shatter.
Yeah.
Ash definitely has Bob.
Yeah, they're probably close to grab.
Watch for Bob Shatter.
I'm on the other side. I can't actually hit you for heals.
Alright, we have to go back. We have to back.
Back off. Speed back, speed back.
Oh my god.
That's...
I have beat.
All right. Ryan has Shatter. Rig has, no, they have Shatter, Bob, probably Briggle.
Okay, we also all need to go to
Trans.
the same side.
Yeah.
We're splitting off, and then they just get free damage because
Right.
he's not there to eat fire strikes. Watch your dynamite.
Right side.
Call aside.
Right side.
Right side, right side, right side.
It's literally just follow Reinhardt. That's all we have.
Right side. Keep following right. Keep following right. Keep firing right. Right. Charging shield. He's behind us.
Ryan,
Lock
back.
it. Lock. Ryan.
I bubble in 2 seconds.
Ryan.
Kill Ryan.
Kill Ryan.
Kill Ryan.
Ryan, no bubble for him. No bubble. He's one. I'm grabbing here.
We're also grabbed. I'm dead.
Guys, we have to put Discord on Ryan. We have to kill him there.
What you also didn't see is that I got stunned by Yosh Shutter.
I got killed by Ash. In like
You're not. Zen.
You're not important in that. What?
Have you heard of amp heals or amp
Okay.
speed?
It doesn't matter.
Wait.
It doesn't matter.
Sun
Don't worry
doesn't
about it. Doesn't matter.
stop healing.
All right, they're gonna have grab again.
Yes, they're gonna have grab.
They have
I can
trans.
rally.
Did they beat? They did not beat, right?
Yeah,
No,
we should
guys,
rally
they
here.
just grabbed. They don't have
Alright,
grab.
ready?
They did. Oh yeah, they grabbed. No,
Yeah,
I
they
thought we
grabbed.
Oh, they did.
Nope.
Okay, okay.
It was both.
Bro, I want to throw a bomb over right now. I think I just killed.
They have a shield.
The guy right.
Big stun.
Big.
Big,
go,
sorry,
go,
sorry,
go.
sorry, sorry. Wait, they're ashes. I'm bubbling you.
Nice. Nice
Their
dive
Ashe
on the
is
ash.
Wait, their Ashe is still
Yeah.
up there. Where is
Yeah,
she?
yeah.
Where's- She's up top middle.
I got her off. I got her off high ground.
Well, yeah, but we should be killing her here. We should.
Yeah,
Kill her.
well, it's a little hard with that.
I meant
the
not
boop
just
center.
you.
Well,
I
the
meant,
boop
like-
center out the other
Alright.
window.
If and okay, never mind.
Okay, but they're holding close. They're holding close.
They're gonna grab here.
I'm chilling on cart.
Yeah, try to eat it. Try to eat it. They're-
I'm cart by. Careful. You have a lot less
Reinhardt.
here.
Play here. Wall here. Play here.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, yeah. Let us know when you're dropping shield, please. They're playing for grab still. I have bubble.
Here
I'm
it is.
bubbling you. There's shatter. I think I blocked it.
Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. Dropping shield. Dropping shield.
We should be speeding.
No, yeah.
I'm on cart.
Yeah, but we have. It doesn't matter. You have to speed
You're
back.
still on heels.
Yeah, that entire when we say anytime we say back, go to speed. It doesn't matter how low.
Okay,
we say.
I couldn't actually reach the team with my aura because I was on the cart. That's why
Wait.
you weren't able to get speed out.
We were.
Okay,
We
doesn't
were
matter.
all.
It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even
Sure,
matter.
sure.
Next, move on.
Okay, I have grab here. I'm probably gonna have to grab early here.
Ashe up
wait,
top, Ashe up top,
Ashe
Ashe
up top.
Oh my god.
Oh, nothing in it. Nothing in
She
it.
whiffed. She whiffed. She whiffed.
Alright, we have to go back.
Oh.
Alright. Back to spawn. Back to spawn. Alright, Ryan.
You're dead, Joey.
Yeah, you're dead. You're dead.
Oh, yeah. Rip.
My bad. I didn't rotate the right way.
Andrew, you good?
Okay, we have grab here. What?
I said, are you good? Like, do you want me to
Oh,
matrix you?
no. I'm perfectly fine. Can't see.
Alright, think about what they
Yeah,
have.
we grab here. They're gonna have. Listen. They're gonna have a grab. No, not grab. They're gonna have a
They probably
beat,
both
probably Bob, trans. Beat Bob, trans, and probably shatter. Shatter.
Probably
We
shatter.
have to bait it out somehow. So just expect we're probably not gonna get any damage off the grab, but we have to hit it. Grab it now. Sorry, try to melt her. Try to melt her. She's very low. Alright. Wait, they use both. They use
Shatter!
Ash is up top. Ash up top.
Big shatter.
both defensive ults.
Break,
I got Ash. I got Ash. I
Ryan,
got
Ryan,
Ash.
How does that hit me?
Yeah.
Good beat.
Could be, yeah. We might need a shield here.
Yep.
We got Brig. I'm gonna.
Zarya. Charging. Ryan, nice. Go.
Big bomb.
Big bomb.
Nice.
Huge.
Go.
Yeah,
Zen.
Go. All right, nice.
Speed.
Wait,
I'm holding
somebody gonna, wait, our Brig should be on cart, right? Brig?
Okay.
Yeah, bring on card.
Alright,
I'm
go,
gonna
go, go,
I'm gonna try to get a grab here real quick. 70 on grab. So they use both defensive ults, so they shouldn't have them back now.
Yeah, they should not.
Yeah, they might
And
have.
Zarya
bomb.
grabbed, so they might be close to shatter.
Yeah, they have shatter. They're gonna have shatter. They're gonna have
Rally.
Bob. No, not grab. Not Bob. Shatter, I think.
Rally though. What about
I have shatter too.
I'm gonna try to build
I have bomb
beat
here.
as possible.
Back.
Okay. Oh.
I got my amp heals
I
off.
have grab in a second.
Wait,
Fuck,
no.
I'm not gonna use it here.
No, don't use it. Don't use it.
Yeah,
You gotta keep running. Keep going back. All right. That's hard.
I had the block too.
That was too slow.
Yeah, a little bit too slow.
I mean, it happens.
Yeah. We can speed into their two tanks here. Oh wait, no.
Don't go. Don't go.
We're waiting for those in.
They should
Ash
have.
is on.
They
Ash is
might
on
have
high
beat
ground.
entrance.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, yep.
Ash
We're in.
is
Might be
Bob.
waiting. Bob.
Let
She's
give
upper,
me
she's
speed.
top.
Yeah, she's up top right. There.
Cover.
Pressure her a little bit. I have bubble here.
Oh, she's behind us.
Huge. Run.
Yeah,
Go.
roll. Keep going. We have to go to cart. Alright,
You get the Zarya. Zarya.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm on her.
I'm
She's dead. We win.
I'm pushing up. I think we're good. I think we're good.
Go.
Hey, we might need trans. Like they might try to recontest here. If anybody starts taking
Stay
damage
three on cart, three on
and they
cart.
look critical.
They're not
Go ahead,
recontesting.
you
It's
guys-
no recontest.
Okay.
Okay. Nice job.
Alright,
What do they have?
They have Bob. They
Yes.
have Shatter.
So
Do they have Trance?
I think they're close to shatter. I don't think
yes,
they have
I
it.
think they have both defensive ults. I
But they'll
believe.
have it.
They're gonna get shatter this fight.
Yeah.
Yo,
Alright, let's go.
I want to
Yeah,
get.
They have.
I really want to.
Ash is dropping.
She off high ground.
I
I'm
have
gonna
no
throw.
trouble.
I'm throwing. Ulting.
Big bump.
Right, right.
It goes in.
Bob's still on cart.
Brick.
Just try to ignore him.
Oh, okay.
He's focusing my shield.
Yeah.
I got Ash
I
off
booped
high
him off.
ground.
Nice.
Alright, so wait,
Oh, he's
sorry,
gone anyway.
Zarya.
wait, we
Careful,
need
you're low.
to go forward here. They don't have a Ryan, right? Wait, no, not with the charge, not with the charge.
Oh.
Where is that? Where is that?
That was really fucking close.
No!
He shot her! Oh, it's trash, it's trash.
Okay, fine, back on. Oh shit.
Nice, good try.
Nice try.
I'm on the, wait, Zen's your guys' right
Keep
right
going,
now?
keep going.
Reaper back.
Zen on point. Oh,
I got booped off.
I have trans in a second? Okay, that's okay. I have trans.
Oh, he did
You're
the-
right, you're right, you're right, you're right.
Die.
Oh no, never mind.
Die right now, so you have one more fight.
Yeah, I should have jumped off.
20 seconds. Alright.
They have a Reaper. Reaper just like farmed out her backline for a little bit there. He's probably about 70 ult.
Speed me. Thank you. Alright, we gotta touch now. We gotta touch. I'll be able to bubble you. Oh wait, not yet. I don't have no less yet.
Did we touch?
I didn't think we were touching without that, sorry.
Yeah, probably not.
No, I got booped away.
Good try. I mean,
Oh,
we're gonna
Some
battle.
shattered on cart,
Now
yeah.
That feels bad, man.
Yeah, I heard you say I'll have bubble for you, and I was like,
No, that's too far
I
back.
meant, yeah, sorry, I should have rephrased it. Like, I'll have bubble once we touch. I didn't.
okay. I thought that was the only way we were gonna be able to touch. I didn't think Kevin was gonna get there because I saw him use boosters out of
We got about as far.